Welcome back to another edition of Fair Friday. Wondering how I got this wild, vibrant color? Well, stay tuned. I wanted to show you that I clipped my ends first. This is part 2 of that clip ends video. So this Fair Friday is on Dark and Lovely's Go Intense Red Copper. So, let's get started. So first, section off the part that you're coloring. Next, secure the hair not being colored.
I forgot to say, my hair feels so much better. Like cutting off all those dead hairs, cutting off all those itty bitty little knots. They drive me nuts. But I can't do this to my hair. Like as soon as I go like this, I go like that to the ends, and I'm like, I hate my ends. But now they are nice and free. This whole thing did this little part of my hair. Natural hair, thick hair, whatever you want to call it. You would definitely have to use 3 bottles of this to do your whole head. I don't know what Dark and Lovely is doing, but what you trying to make me buy 4 bottles to do each section 1, 2, 3, 4? Cause this didn't do nothing. Like I would add some water to this and be able to do what else? Seriously, what else would I be able to do with this? That's that. Dark and Lovely. Excuse me. What's up with this small ass bottle?
Radiant Copper by Dark and Lovely. I really do like the color. I like the highlights of it. It really makes my hair feel like I feel a little bit of blonde in there. And yeah, it's really, really radiant and I love it. Like I said, I've been using the same color for about 4 years, probably longer than that. I only dye my hair like maybe once a year, literally once a year, okay? Because we all know dye dries your hair out, dye tends to break the hair. So, you know, and that's why I only do like one little area for my hair. Okay, whew, so I'm back. Yeah. This is the result. Okay. Got nice and blazy, nice and orange. I had to leave it in for about 45 minutes though. It says 30 minutes, but I had to leave it for 45 minutes because my hair was still it was like a reddish kind of thing. It did not have no orange to it at all. Yeah, I got some on my hair right here, which is such a... Anywho, yeah, so, but yeah, it reddened my hair, it oranged my hair, nice and orangey.
I also sat up under the dryer for about 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes, to just try to intensify the dye. So I'm about to go rinse this out and I'll be back. Alright. I cheated a little bit, okay? I mixed this with this. Alright. Orange Blaze, okay? This came out like extremely red. Red, orange, blaze, something-ish. I don't know. See, me, I be so nervous and so scared that stuff is not gonna come out the way I want it. So I be messing with stuff. And I don't know. Do y'all like it? I mean, I'm not a fan of red hair. Okay? Now, when I was a fan of red hair, I could never get my hair this red. I don't know. I'm gonna style my hair. I'm going to style this hair of mine. Okay? By the way, my hair is really soft. I used, hold on, let me show you what I used to condition my hair with this Mega Moisture Mask and with the Coily nut oil. So I just sprayed, of course, I just sprayed that on my hair and used the Coily nut oil and used the conditioner to condition my hair.
Thank you for watching another edition of Fair Friday, where we give fair, honest reviews on Friday. For more hair tips, follow us on Facebook and IG at ControlHairCare. See you guys soon.